What up, guys? So, this is a rewatch of last night's final game, the one that I'm the most worked up over because I thought that I didn't play up to what I expected of myself, if I'm being honest. So, just so we can see, this is me. I am the Goths on this end. I matched up. You can see Joel here. And then here's Sam's forward operation. It's not huge. And here's Sam's base. So it's me versus Joel and Sam. And then we've got Spencer here in the middle. He's the Khmer, so he's going to be thinking about elephants and stuff like that. He's building up. And here's Taylor as the Lithuanians on this side. Taylor's got the harder matchup. Taylor... This is Taylor's forward operation. You can see he's getting ready to go with the stables. Taylor is playing against Larry. Larry's the Spanish, giving his team that extra gold, which is huge. And then Alex is in the middle here. So Alex is also officially on Larry's side, but Alex can be anywhere because Alex is a really good pocket. Who knows what he's going to end up doing. As we look at the map, I want to point out that there's 3 minutes left in treaty. Here's Taylor's base. Taylor's walled off here, the massive wall. But if we look over here, this is Larry's side. Larry randomly walled off right here, but if we follow, there's a vein that nobody walled off. And look whose base it goes to. Tanners, the Goths. I did wall off with houses, kind of. I bet that they probably could have gotten around with that thing. But I was trying to at least kind of put something up, so I did it on both sides with houses. Seemed like some things better than nothing. Let's see here. But, so yeah, there's no wall here in the middle. And I'm not really blaming anyone. It's just how that game worked. I think if we should have walled off right here. But if I'm Larry, I'd have been looking at walling off somewhere in this area. Although I don't like spending that much stone, but, either or. And Taylor would have been pissed because I might have been a gentleman's agreement break. Maybe right in here. Either way. So let's watch the gameplay. So we got 3 minutes left. Treaty hasn't dropped. But at 3 minutes, I was ready to go. Yeah, I've got the pop going. But we're going to actually watch Sam's Civ as far as all of this information. This is all Sam's because I watched Sam's original build out and Sam did a really good job of just building his economy the way that he wanted to so that it would make his stuff work. Notice that he's got 64 on wood, he's got a ton of wood, he's got a decent amount of gold, but you can see all of these trade cards coming in, so he's gonna be rich. So we have 30 seconds left and you can see I'm going. I am ready to go. And we go in. Treaty has dropped. So Sam's guys are coming here. He's getting ready. Here's Joel getting ready. They're attacking and I'm going in. And I'm just throwing so many troops at this, and Sam's just eating. His pop's going up. And Sam's just going and having a blast. This is like the Celts' wet dream, is what this is. So I'm trying to sidestep it, but it's doing literally nothing. That castle is coming in clutch. And Sam's just eating up all of my troops. It's the best defense is a good offense. On the other side, Larry cuts around here. We put up one wall there. You can see Larry comes in. Oh, look. Here's Larry. In my base. I bet he stops in like 2 seconds. Oh, he's going all the way to the trade. Oh, look. There's Larry. Meanwhile, Sam is wrecking me. I decided that I'm a 1. And Larry's just ravaging. He's just eating the trade. Absolutely eating it. Here goes Sam with more troops, more military. Now Sam's bringing more military into my base. Taylor has now gotten into Larry's base. But it's far too little, far too late, because they have a stranglehold on my base. But good job to Taylor. And Taylor's ravaging Larry's base now. But here goes Sam, or, well, this is Larry again, just wrecking. At this point, I'm ready to call it, but here goes Spencer. Spencer shows up. And there's Joel going at Spencer. Here's Larry going into Spencer. And paladins in a base are just the worst. So that's essentially the game. I'm going to run out of time here in a second, but until we get there, we'll keep recording, I guess. Because, yeah, now Alex has pushed Taylor out. And there's Larry doing more of Larry's stuff. Ugh. I scored 8,000 points that game. I suck at this game. Here's Joel wrecking me. Why did I ever think that infantry are as good as a good siege? Ugh. So Taylor quits at this point. They're sending more troops in. I've quit. Spencer's going to quit in a second. And that was the game, guys. Good game. I wish I could say it was fun. It's fine. I'm just salty. So, there's that. As we can see, Sam had all of the high scores. As far as military goes, he just had a great KD. I did not have a great KD, but that's fine. So, that was the game. It was a good time last night. Yeah. Got to rethink strategies.